Hello guys, today we will be downloading ClickCharts software. Now this ClickCharts software is an easy and free available software that provides us with the facility to make any type of flowchart or any type of diagrams, block diagrams, chemistry charts or chemical equations and all types of diagrams and even family trees, of course. So it includes all types of various types of diagrams and it is damn easy to download and it is a free software. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get forward to ClickCharts, taking it to official software. This is the official software. You can say for download now and it gets downloaded. Wait for a few seconds while it gets downloaded. Open file. Yes, I think it already has been downloaded. Now let's see. Oh, here it is. Next, it took a bit of time. It is installing all the necessary packages and updates. Okay, yes, now this will be the screen that will pop up. Here it tells us, thank you for using ClickCharts. You have been using a demo version which includes all the features of professional version. This demo version that we will be using has been updated with all the facilities that a professional version features, and it is offline. It is an offline software, so you can also use this software without an internet connection. Continue to use demo version. New diagram, and here it comes. It has this general shapes, say flow chart. Here I am taking flow chart. It has connectors, so it gets you with all the flow charts. It has also grid system. Let me show you. Here, view grid option. Here the grid system will be shown, and you know what, this is expandable. This sheet is expandable. Suppose I am taking a block, and see, wherever I place this block, a new sheet will be created right there. So this is expandable and it is very easy to use. This is flowchart. Here is UML diagram, ER diagram, data flow diagram, arrows, organizational chart, block diagram, which is really useful, family tree, electrical diagrams. So all the basic features that we need is available here. You can also make it with logic gates. So you see, everything is available, and I think it is damn useful. I got to know about this software from one of my professors, and he had been using this same software since months for now, and yes, he got a very positive review about this diagram. So guys, I am sharing you with this amazing software that I heard of. So here you see, it has got everything. You can adjust the sizes, you can adjust the font letters, you can adjust the block colors, you can do everything and whatever it is necessary to make your diagram beautiful and good to look at and decent and presentable. So guys, yeah, thank you for watching. Keep up with your new diagrams. Yes, stay tuned and follow for more.